Hello viewers, let's enable and disable Facebook incoming calls, messages, sounds, pop-up new messages on laptop as well as Android phone. But to perform the same action on Android phone, you will not use Android app of Facebook, but you will open your Facebook in browser inside your mobile to perform these three actions. So first open Facebook and then come directly to this messenger. And now come down, click these three horizontal dots. Now you can see incoming calls, turn it off, and these three option appears. So let me click until I turn it back on. Tick mark over here and disable it. Now come again and click these three dots and turn off messages sound if you would like to disable it, and pop up new messages also disabled. The same way, if you would like to enable once again one or all, so come and click messenger, then three dots and enable one or more if you would like. You can perform the same task on mobile, however, you will have to open Facebook in Android mobile in browser and not in the app. Thanks for watching.